Hello, in this video I will show you how to configure the Performance Bonus add-on with Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press Feature Add-ons page. Now activate the Performance Bonus add-on. The add-on is activated. Now click the Configure button. This is the Affiliate Press Commission Settings page. Scroll down and see the last section is Performance Bonus Settings. Click to add a new button. Affiliate Press provides two types of performance bonus: sales count based and sales amount based. Set target and recurrence. Affiliate Press provides three types of recurrence after set the bonus amount. You can also add multiple performance bonuses. Now we have added one more performance bonus. After that, click to Save button. Now go to the Commission page. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Commissions page. Here you can see the Sophie Park Affiliate User Commission Record. This user commission record is 4. We have set the 5 sales count based on performance bonus. Now using this affiliate user affiliate link, purchase one more product. This is the Manage Affiliates page, where you can see all the affiliate users' records. Link copied. Go to the front end side and purchase a new product. This is the WooCommerce checkout page. Enter the contact information. I already have all the details now. Click to Place Order button. See, the product is purchased successfully. Now go to the back-end side commission page. Here you can see the new record is added. Wait a few minutes and reload the page. After that, you can see one more record performance bonus record. See, a new record was added for Sophie Park Affiliate User Performance Bonus Record. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.